morning. It's Travis, American Race Cars. NHRA has introduced a new rule to have a 6-point harness in top dragster. So the great folks at Pro One sent us one so we could show you guys how to do it. Give us a call. We can get them sent back in and reserted for you and converted over to this. So what I figured I'd start off by showing you how to do this the right way, and so you don't have to weld on the car or cut anything or do anything, okay? So every car that American has built, it's got these two tubes in it with this tube down here. Traditionally, the crotch strap would just mount around this bar here and wrap up around. So all we're going to do is move the two mounting points to the outside here. So here and here, I already cinched one up for you so you can see. And on the other side, we're just going to take this belt, we're going to pull it around and wrap it around this one so they're both the same. So then you can get it adjusted evenly. To do this, you set your belt where you want it to be in the right location. So the center will be right here. You take this one around, get your center belt where you want it to be, bring this one around. Tighten it up a little bit. It's going to be about right there. So what we're going to do is wrap around the bar, come up underneath, go back through the loop. You're going to cinch this down to where you're happy with this one, so they're about the same. And that right there looks pretty good to me. So we're going to take this one, loop back through. Brittany's stomach's growling. Loop back through. And once you get that one in, you're going to loop back through it again to finish it. So there you go. There's your 6-point harness. No welding, no cutting, no tabs. The instructions want it to be about 6 to 8 inches apart. Right here we're about 8 inches. So what that does is hold you from side to side while it's also holding you down in the car. Thanks, guys.